Today, we have something super exciting, an unofficial unboxing of the brand new iPhone 16 Pro. While the official release is just around the corner, we've got some exclusive clips that give us a first look at everything that's new in this model compared to the iPhone 15 Pro. So let's jump right in. Our first clip comes from a Weibo user shared by the leaker Majin Buu. Here, we see the sleek black titanium variant being lifted out of its box. Inside the box, we have the phone and, as you might have noticed, a USB-C cable, a welcome change that's been in the works for quite some time now, especially with Apple's recent moves towards USB-C charging across their lineup. Now, check this out. One of the standout features we're seeing is the new camera control button located at the bottom right side. This button adds a whole new level of convenience, allowing users to quickly access the camera and adjust functions like zoom by simply sliding their finger across it. Switching gears, let's take a look at design differences. Here's the iPhone 16 Pro in the new Desert Titanium compared to the blue titanium iPhone 15 Pro. The 16 Pro sports a 6.3-inch screen, which makes it a bit larger than its predecessor's 6.1-inch display. Having both in hand, it's noticeable, but not dramatically different. The new model is slightly thicker, but honestly, unless you're scrutinizing, it's hard to tell the difference. Apple has managed to maintain that sleek profile that fans have come to love. Moving on to the camera, the iPhone 16 Pro features an upgraded 48-megapixel ultrawide camera. While you can't see the tech just by looking at the phone, it's clear that Apple has made some serious enhancements. This model also uses Apple's latest ceramic shield material, promising better durability. However, yet again, these tech upgrades are something you can't visually appreciate. The heart of the iPhone 16 Pro is powered by the A18 Pro chip, which not only offers improved processing power, but also efficiency, allowing for longer battery life. This shift to more efficient technology is essential for users who rely heavily on their devices and don't want to be tethered to a charger throughout the day. Interestingly, initial data suggests that consumer interest may be shifting towards the non-Pro models this year. Traditionally, Pro models have always been the star of the show, but it seems some buyers are opting for more affordable options that still provide the latest features. This is a significant shift in consumer behavior, which we should keep an eye on in the coming weeks. With Apple emphasizing AI capabilities as a key reason to upgrade, it appears that some users are more attracted to non-Pro models that are less costly but promise similar exciting functionalities. Perhaps people are inclined to prioritize features like improved battery life and camera capabilities without the Pro price tag. So there you have it, your first unofficial look at the iPhone 16 Pro and what sets it apart from the iPhone 15 Pro. Are you excited about the new camera control button or that gorgeous desert titanium finish? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on whether you're leaning towards the Pro model or considering one of the more affordable variants. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for more tech news and reviews coming your way. We can't wait to see how the iPhone 16 lineup performs once it's officially released.